If you're looking to make turf maintenance simple and easy, look no further than a John Deere mower. Whether you're a homeowner or professional landscaper, there's a John Deere mower to fit your project needs. Their Z-Track and riding lawn tractors offer a range of solutions to help you keep landscaping projects under control. For spaces with lots of obstacles, the Z-Track mower series provides an ideal solution. Their zero-turn radius makes them nimble enough to navigate around trees, rocks, and other landscaping roadblocks. Having a tighter turn radius means you'll be more efficient as you mow, so you can tackle projects faster. With a range of deck options and attachments for everything, from snow blowing to mulching, you can customize your John Deere mower to fit your landscaping and turf maintenance needs. As a full-service John Deere dealer, Papé Machinery has a full lineup of equipment, parts, and accessories to keep you moving. With consistent quality customer service, our knowledgeable team is always ready to help you find the perfect mower for your lifestyle. Contact us today to learn more.